Hey everyone, I'm Stevie from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our air pulse blowgun. Are you ready for 8,000 RPM of air pulsing power? Using air from your compressor, the air pulse blowgun creates a high velocity vortex that powers away dirt and dust. You'll make quick work of cleaning a multitude of surfaces in hard to reach areas. Use the blowgun to blast sand and pet hair out of carpet and floor mats, clean pine needles and debris out of door jambs and hood cowls, and to dry those areas that tend to drip after a wash, such as mirrors, door handles, door jambs, and more. I find it especially useful for pad cleaning. When your pads accumulate buildup mid-detail, simply blast the pad with the air pulse blowgun while it's on the orbital. Doing this at least every other panel will extend the working life of your pads and provide more consistent results. Keeping the gun clean and ready for action is easy. Just dunk the gun in some water and pull the trigger for 20 seconds or so. This will clean any dirt or debris from the cone and rotational mechanism, ensuring maximum efficiency during the next job. Keep the air pulse blowgun in mind anytime you need a blast of air. You'll find it has an ever-expanding number of uses. Thank you for watching. For more information on the air pulse blowgun, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.